This is the second day of this seminar for science. Watching us, let's continue.
What is your name? Binta Mohammed, wait.
You say Binta Mohammed.
Let me see. Binta Mohammed, let me see. Binta Mohammed. I gave you B.
I beg you, this
B is what?
B is computer. Okay. Go the other side.
B is computer.
B is okay.
Your own is group C. This is your name.
You go to mathematics.
Abdulaziz Mohammed. Yes, our name is. Good morning. Rudy. Rudy is right.
This is the second day of this seminar. Our watchers, let's continue watching.
So I would have preferred people to be here then. No, it's for that's what we call impartation of knowledge, skill to the people. From there, they can flow from there and make their life meaningful. Is that clear? Not for them to just be to resist, to make life meaningful. They have to acquire skill. So making local black soup. So the material you can be using is what? You say ash from the very fast, please. From the following. If I detail will not be okay, that should detail from the following plan. Please, from the following plan used for making soup. So you have one, ask from what? Oil pan leaf. Oil pan leaf. The leaf of the palm oil. Stem. Yes. Then B. You can use a banana leaf. Banana leaf. We are going to classify. We are going to banana leaf. We use stems of banana stem. You can use a peel. The peel from banana, you can use the peel. You prepare it. The one. Then this is how you have to impart to the people. You have seed, purple leaf, and stem. Purple leaves and stem. Then you have some fruit. Exactly. I don't know whether we are going to stand outside to do it. Then D, you have cola. Those are all from the southwest. You can use cola to prepare cola leaf, fruit. You say fruit after After removing the seed. The seed. Please, we are going to practicals now. Let me see. Let me see. I'm coming.
This is
Let us move to mathematics class now and see what is happening inside this class.
Times what? 9. What is what the word? 4. 4 and 5. 6 times 9. 5. 4.
That's 9. Not 6 times. You should not do 6 times 6.
Oh, sorry. 6 times 9. This one?
5 times 9.
7 times 9. What the what?
6 plus 1.
6 plus 2. 7 times 9.
7 times 9 is 6. 7
and 1? 2. Also, 2 digit numbers. Okay?
Yeah.
So
it's not that people to 10.
no, say 2 digits. You see the cost outline, a 2-digit word. How to what? Multiplication made easy. See, if you can have all these techniques, when we sit at home, how do we do this? What method, which technique will I apply so that I will be unique in my teaching? So that I'll be better than another teacher. Not that you are more than the other teacher, but your techniques. People will like to appreciate your work. We like whatever you are doing. So I think with this, because that we can, if I ask anybody, 6 times 9, you ask for people, 2 6 times 9, they can only tell you without just looking at timetable. One time they write, this will take a people almost 10 minutes to calculate some of them. What does that mean? Within 2 minutes or a minute, some of them will tell you the answer. That's struggling at all. I tell you the answer. Think what we do now that can any of us, okay, let us start with 3. Who will tell us, let us brainstorm on 3 if there's a technique. Now, everybody should do that. Let us brainstorm. Sit together to think, God, you know what you can do alone. What? After this, we try 4. We try by 7 up to 9. Not to get now. Yeah? Yes. Let us start with. No, I want to start it gradually. Instead of doing the how hard is to do?
It's a base. Is that clear? It's a base. That is a base. You cannot. But if it is acid, red will turn to blue. So they will continue to shift. This is the one I've been shifting now. I will shift this one. In fact, I can test it. It's not too salty, but this one it will be very salty because I've shifted it for a long time. So somebody should put it here and see what color. Put it here. What color is that?
Blue.
It's for that is
Base.
from red to blue. That is a base.
Yes.
Is that there? It is acid. Okay, this one now which I have not done it for a long time. So put this one. I have not done it.
Okay.
Well, you see, but you have to shift it for a long time. Is that clear? So we shift it. After now, you put it in the tin, and do what? You boil. Come and see it on the fire here now. Is that clear? What we see it now.
Still boiling. It's not until all the water is dry. When the water is dry, there are 2 ways. Let me bring the one I. There are 2 now. Let me bring the one I did. Either you can use oil. You see how, by the time you are used to it, you will not have any fear to touch the chemical. This is the one I prefer.
Okay, the bleached oil.
I didn't bleach the oil. This is a local black soap.
You put perfume?
Yeah, I put perfume. I think you see now. Oh,
Just to make it look like
I didn't shape this one very well.
Bring water, let me wash my hand. The water has to dry. But when you are putting oil, you should not put oil so much so that it will not be watery. It's okay. Now I think.
Palm kernel
oil.
Palm kernel oil. Is that clear? With granule oil. Let me show you them. Use the palm kernel oil. No. Let me show you palm kernel oil. Taking as vegetable oil.
Yes.
Because now they bleach it and sell it as vegetable oil. Yes, it's the palm kernel oil. It's bleach and sell it as vegetable oil. That is why palm kernel oil is very expensive now. Exactly. It's nothing but what? Bleach palm kernel oil.
After bleaching it,
Okay, yeah.
so the changing
Put the detailed chemistry of this is what to pass skill as they grow to secondary school. Then they will know what is called soda ash, what they call potash. Is that clear? For the meat, you just use this oil. It's at the same point, either palm kernel oil, but the palm kernel oil you use, you bleach. For the look, if you use PKO for this, it will be very, very good. You perfume it. Although it's a little expensive, you can get it at Kaduna. They're selling it there. Is that clear? That is the preparation. We will allow you to dry. And if you are putting, you put oil little by little. As you are putting oil, you are stirring it. So you don't allow oil to be so much. Is that clear? When it's thickening, you allow it. You put it down and allow it to cool. It's by practice. Is that clear? So, do you understand? That's the method of producing black soap. That's the method of producing black soap. When it's dry, maybe you will not, because that's what I will be using to teach all about. It's not easy to sieve it. Is that clear? Please, what is it by your time so that I know how to time it? Palm oil. Palm kernel oil is from the seed. Palm kernel oil. From the seed of what? Palm kernel. But this one is from the one? From the fruit. Is that clear? This is the fruit. This one what? From the seed.
Sir, with that palm kernel oil with this one, they use them together. Or either if you
you can use
one of them.
What
of this one?
You use it only. You can use it only, just as you are using this.
Okay.
As you are putting it
Madam.
Sir,
yes.
from what you have said, it seems as if you said putting of the oil, either of the two, is what makes it foam.
It's what the reaction of this, of the hash, and this, it makes it to foam. It's like whether it's acidic, but you know, acid, if it's acid, the attack, you know that
you are born, maybe
it will burn your hands.
Burn your hand or burn the clothes.
Yeah. So whether it's acidic, to make it match, acidic or basic. When it is a base is mild, yes. But acid is attacks the hand and the clothes. Exactly. No, we are coming to explain this one. I will explain it. Let's just go to him.
That's what I want to know.
So please, there is no need to go to the distance. Since we have, let us start that after we copy the note. Okay. We are going to produce what is called liquid soap. Let us run to liquid soap. Liquid soap is the most popular now. Yeah. Exactly. In everywhere, it's most popular. Now we have for the liquid soap. Okay, drop. For the liquid soap, now Is that clear? That, it's just like shampoo, orange juice. That thing, what makes it to foam, they call it sulfonic acid.
Sorry, sir.
Somebody has forgotten his food or
Capital letter.
It's all right.
You are in group A.
Yes, sir. Yeah. The last one. The last one. Yeah.
This very one.
This one now, this one sometimes need to, I've shifted CMC.
All about after 7 before.
No, this one is the called Tesapon. After producing the soap, it's those things, when you put, when you CMC, you put sulfonic acid, that the foaming agent, and the thickener, and the cleansing, they want for cleansing. There's a one they call this STTP, sodium, the one would make it to that is hardness of water. The hardness of water, they call it STTP. It softens the water. So it is this one that when you put all of them inside there and combine it, this one brings them together. Nitrosol, I will write it down. Nitrosol, what you do now is, nitrosol now, pour this water for me.
Side.
Okay, pour it and give me any water. If you are using nitrosol, pour it and give it into the water. Please, get me that paddle. Pour water on it. The paddle now. First of all, put water on the container you want to use. Before you pour the chemical. Please don't pour chemical on what? Don't pour water on chemical. It causes what? Explosion. Is that clear? That's why you see all this explosion now. That you don't pour water on chemical. When I bring this one, you will shift the this one you can soak it for some time. You can use it immediately.
No.
Bring another place.
See it there, sir.
Bring another of this. Let's just put this one. Shift it down. Yeah. Turn it. Which one is that? Oh, that one is not. This one is CMC.
I tell you, say that.
Get me this one of this. What is water? You continue to pour water there. Yeah. That is starch, ordinary starch. That is what makes it to thick. The liquid so to thick. Is that clear?
So, if you put this one.
Continue. Yeah, give me this one. As this not this is so. This one mostly they used to for liquid soap. It's better, but it's expensive. Nitrosol is expensive than CMC. It's okay. This one is they call this carboxyl. I would add methyl cellulose. And this one. So I think I've seen a difference. Can you bring a stick and turn it?
Another stick or the same stick?
No, another stick.
I should continue turning.
In that call, we are going to use oil. See,
we use this.
We are using that. Wash it. Wash it. This what? Sulfonic acid. Sulfonic. You make it so that sulfonic. Not sulfuric.
Sulfonic
acid.
Zuma po?
Continue. But okay, mind your hand because this one can. Oh, please, okay. We need a hand. This one, please, and turn it, please.
Why is this still?
Turn it. Oh, this one cannot do.
Let me help you. So turn it like this. Don't change it.
Turn it. That one will be much. That one will be much. Turn that one. This one you will turn it for a long time. As you turn it, push more water. Push for water.
Bring water.
I'm sorry, it's because of time. These people start. Bring water for her so that he can be putting her hand. I will give you the measurement later. Continue. Sorry. Please give her water to be putting her hand, but this one is a little soft. So let me, okay, this one is according to, it's 4 groups. There are 4 groups, so I have to be very careful. You see that? In that one, there will be no particle, but this one there is particle.
We are moving to another class.
So this is what we are doing. All your marks are there. Your own is in the opposite direction. This is the master. This is 20. It should come back. So your 20 is
That's it.
this your 20. This of your 20. The mark from this pin starts. From this pin, these two, have you finished? I forgot. We are going to put this. Before we put that in there. No, then you are going to put a nail. Let me bring the original one. Please continue. Don't wait. Where is the gimlet? The gimlet? Yes. This is 20.
Okay, that
And this is 30. This is 30. Don't press it hard. It should be in the center. Use the center. Press it. Or you should be holding it. Hold it. Press it. But don't break it. Is it going? You have to push it so that we can save time. But don't break the... It's okay. It's okay. Can this... We are going to put this. Continue in the center. Lose this knot. We are going to put a shoemaker something there. Put a nail here. Where's my hammer? Okay. Now you want to trace a diagram. Hold this for me. That's what you are holding. Now you want to trace it. Okay, let's trace that chicken. Madam wants the chicken. She likes the chicken. Let's place the chicken here. Alright? Can I have this time?
Okay, take away that hammer. It's out. Down. It's out.
Well, okay. Are we okay? Well, I'm just this.
Soap maker. Mr. Odionge. Mr. Odionge, it's time.
I'm telling you that this one is water supplement.
No, I'm bring this bucket of water.
You don't put that one. You are way hot for hand, right? You put it After putting water stop, that is all. Now, down the pass. They pour water in there. Pour the water in.
And the what?
Pour the water into that thing.
Go.
Into that bowl.
Keep this one, this bracket from
Every people they're not going to that.
Rinse it. I need rinse it.
No. I want to use this. Where is it?
Wait.
Put the water out.
Mr. Lam, please connect the projector. So today, as we all have our course content, today we are going to Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. That is what we are going to do today. Yesterday we did word processing. And we were able to type our lesson plan. So please, who can remind me how you were able to launch into Microsoft Word yesterday? Because that's what we did. How did you open Microsoft Word yesterday? I want somebody to tell me. How did you? Please sit down. As you are coming in, sit down. Some people should join those two groups at the back. Uncle, you were not here yesterday. Join them. You think I will not know. So who can help us? How did you open Microsoft Word? That yesterday. They just explained to me because the same step is what we are going to follow to open Microsoft Word. Do you understand? Yeah. So who can now tell us?
No, excuse me. We'll put the mouse button at the start point.
Start point, yes.
Then we click to the start, the starting point.
Yes.
Then you give us the program. Then we'll go to the program. Then the program will now decide our decision to the program point. I mean, the Microsoft Office. Will go to Microsoft Office.
Yes.
Microsoft Office, you click to the office,
Another person, please. Who can help us? How did we open Microsoft Word yesterday? Mr. Bello, help us and save us from this.
First of all, we lose our puzzle.
Start from the start button.
You click start, then you go to the programs. The program is directly to Microsoft Office.
Yes.
And we click on it. When you choose the program, then we go to Microsoft.
Wow. So please, everybody listen now. To open Microsoft Excel is the same thing you open Microsoft Word yesterday. So please, let's click on Start button. Everybody click on Start button. Click on the Start button. Click on Start button. Then you click on All Programs. Click on All Programs. All Programs, then you click on Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office.
Go to all programs.
Then you click on Microsoft Office Excel. Excel. This one. Click.
Please, shut it down, shut it down.
Hello.
Yes, when you are opening something, go to start button.
Click on start button.
Then you click start button. When you click start button, you go to all program. When you go to all program, you look at Microsoft Office. When you go to Microsoft Office, now you now move down to our to get Microsoft Excel. When Excel now. So I will get my point. So that's the way you get it. That's the way you get to all the any package you want to use. You want to go to PowerPoint, that's the procedure you use. And to get it, it's very, very simple. You cannot see it in the desktop, go to all programs. So that's how you get it.
Then now, where are we going?
No, wait.
Okay. Click on start button. Click on start button. Start button. Click on all programs. Start button. Click all programs. Click on Microsoft Office. Paper. Good. Now, the Excel screen is divided into rows and columns. The rows can be identified with numbers. Can you see the numbers by the right side of the screen? Yes. Good. And the columns by letters. You can see A, B, C, D, E, F, and so on and so forth. Now, there is a point at which a column must intersect with a row. And that point is called a cell. So you can see that the Excel screen is filled with boxes. So each box is called a cell. Each box is called a cell. Then each of the cells has its own cell address. Just like the house we come from, all of us we have different house addresses. Do we understand? Unless we are living in the same building. Now, each of those cell address, they must be different so that we'll be able to locate the content of our cell when we want to use them for calculation. Now, Excel is basically used for calculation. Excel worksheet is basically used for calculation, and that is why it's looking like a ledger, the accounting ledger, what the accountant used to enter their numbers. So it is very similar to what they use. Good. Now, we can navigate through the screen with the use of our cursor movement keys that I show us yesterday. Those arrows, the up arrow, the right arrow, the left arrow. Okay? Now, as I'm looking at our screen, we are all in cell A1. Do we understand? We are all in cell A1. Everybody, we are in cell A1.
Go to cell A1.
We are in cell A1. Now, use your right arrow to move to cell A2. Everybody move. Cell A2. Use your right arrow and move to cell A2. Good. That is A2. Move to A2. Your down arrow. That downward arrow. Just move it towards. It's in cell A2. Do we get it? Yeah. Good. Do we get it?
What?
Now let us move to cell F20.
We have done this. Let me explain to you. We are saying that multiplication by 9. What number less than 1? Which number is less than 1? 0, 0, less. What number we added to 7 to give us 9? 9. Therefore, 1 times 9 equal to what? 9. Here, which number is less than 1? 1. Write 1. What we added to 1 to make it 9? 8. Therefore, 2 times 8 equal to what? 3. What number is less than 3? 2. Write 2. What we added to 2 make to give us 9? 7. Therefore, 3 times 9 is what? 7. What number is less than 5? 4. What number added to 4 to give us 9? 5. What number is less than 6?
5.
What number added to 5 to give us 9?
4.
And so on. Is that okay? Up to you. We are saying that up to 9 because this 10 times 9. You don't need to ask anybody. Even children know that 10 times 4 is what? Ask them to the other side 40. They know that. And this is where we are really developing. Not 9, but don't say applicable. It's outside level class. Is that okay? But it's only work for what? 2 digits. Is that okay? Not 2 digit number. That's for that. You understand what I have done here? You understand this? Now, before we start the brainstorming, or we start the brainstorming, I think we should do the brainstorming.
Do you have a question?
Okay, sorry. Hello, sir. Okay. Yes.
Sir.
Yeah.
For the first one that you did, I think it is later.
Yeah, I said 9.
Sorry,
You have to tell me. That's what you want to do now. What you do now? You tell me which other number you think you can go. The other group did for 4 and 5. Can I tell you how they did it? I need you to learn from their group. I mean, I should tell you. So you do 5 and 6. Is that okay? Let me tell you what you did. Is that 1 times 3, 2 times 3, 3 times 3, 4 times 3. The rule was not applicable to 1 times 3 anyway. 2 times 3 is what? 6. I said the other plus 1. No, already. They said, what number before 2? No, I already did this. They said, wait, 2 plus 3, yeah, you plus. 2 plus 3? 5. Plus 1. Was what? 6. 3 plus 3? 6. Plus what? 2.
Plus 3.
Plus 2. Plus all number, me?
Yes.
You give us what? For the next one number, give us what?
8.
9. I said what I say? I said 2 plus 3.
5.
Plus 1.
6.
3 plus 3.
6.
The odd number before this what?
2.
2. That is this plus this. The odd number before this. After this, I mean, it's 3 now. It's 3. This plus this. 6. 6, I mean? 6 plus 3. 9. What's the this plus this? 7. What's the number before after this? After that 3?
After 4. It's 5.
Okay, after 4. No, you can name the number down. Write the number down. Okay, write it down. It's going to what? 5, Abi? Plus 5. 12. Okay, let us check for 7. 7 times 3. Okay, no, 5 times 3. 6 times 3. Okay, this plus this.
8.
What is the number after that? 7. Plus 7. 15, Abi? What of this?
9.
9. Plus what? Plus 9. Yeah? 18. Is it not working? Just like that, okay? But the formula is restricted. It does not work for what? 1 times 3. Is that okay? That's what they developed. I'm not the one that did it though. I'm telling you, I'm not the one that did it. This is what they did here. You do what? 5 and 6. You check. Maybe it's not possible, okay?
I can take that knot. It's okay.
This report. Any screwdriver.
You have to use the knot to put it. Put the knot. It's the knot that will push it.
Place it on top. Let it hold just more. Just place it on top. Let me hold it.
No, let somebody else do it if she cannot do it.
Just place it on top. Let me hold it. Okay.
Is he going? Are you sure he's going?
He's going.
But don't let that thing break. Please.
It's okay.
Okay, we leave it as vacuum. Okay, leave it.
Now, can we put the other ones now? It's your hole. Put it, screw it down.
Yeah, you can do this one 1 quarter. 1 quarter kilo. I'm telling you now. Then number 4. Number 4, you need what? There's a bomb. Oh, there's a bomb. There's a bomb. There's a bomb. T-E-X. There's a bomb. This one is, they call binding agent. Binding. You make it to bind. They bind all the chemicals together. Binding what? Agent. There's a bomb. Binding agent. You can put that one is, let's say, 1 quarter kilo. Is that clear? It's binding agent. Then you have ACTP, number 5. ACTP. I'm writing that out. They call it sodium 3 die.
Even in some schools now, some universities, you read law, you read credit in mathematics. Credit.
The Islamic studies.
You need credit in mathematics. So, because of that, you know that if the foundation is not laid properly, they will have problem. They already have breakthrough in Nigeria. But how ready are we without the knowledge of mathematics? Now, let me start with 9. We know that 1 times 9 is equal to what? 2 times 9 equal to what?
18.
3 times 9 is equal to what? 4 times 9.
36.
Let us start there first. We are saying instead of like if you tell you 2 times 9, so they will take the 5 minutes for us to say it. You just look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If they miss in the right hand, they give the answer as what? 19. Or if they miss the stroke, you will not understand. The stroke. So it can give them 17 or 19 if they miss the stroke. But I'm saying that we now try to develop a training which you also develop for us today. technique for solving other problems, which you don't know. Simply, when we say 9 times 1 times 9 is 9. Just say 1 times 9. Which number is next to 9? It's next to 1, I mean. Number next to, no. So before 1, 0. Right 0. What will be added to 0 to give us 9? 9. Which number is before 2? 1. Which number we added to 1 to give us 9? 8. Which number is before 3? 2.
Square. Are you sure it's square?
Yes.
It's not a circle. Now, when you look at everyday life, all things in life originate from basic shapes. All right? Circle, triangles, rectangles, rhombus, name them. Look at the back of this class now. What do you see there? What is in the center? What shape is that? One on the right side and the left side, like a square. Alright? Now, when you look at the window, most of the things there are rectangles. Alright? If you look outside, there are some Okada cars. They have a circular wheel. Alright? And on this chair here you are sitting on, you have a cylinder. Alright? Are we together? Yes. Now, in daily, everyday life, like that tree standing here, now what shape can you describe that tree? At least the trunk of the tree. A cylinder. So, in everyday life, basic shape apply. And not only that, you find that all these shapes, in real life, they can work together in perfect harmony. Although a triangle looks different from a rectangle, there is a way you can combine it in a building. Or like your Okada, for instance now, you have a circle there joined to a cylinder, joined to other shapes. You understand? So there is a perfect match. There is a way you can assemble these things to make a perfect match. And when you see some very complicated buildings, maybe in Abuja or even in Sokoto here, you just wonder that how is this building made? It's made from all the basic shapes, joined together perfectly. Now, do you know what is happening in Nigeria now? You know we have collapsed buildings, don't we know? Yes. Because some people don't want to observe the rules. Some people are just toying with people's life. Nowadays, you have some buildings, maybe after 6 months they have been built, you see a crack, showing that something structurally wrong. Now, why are basic shapes very important in life? And why must we be very precise when we talk about basic shapes? Let me tell you, if you are a pilot and you don't know how to measure your angle, you know a plane travels very fast. Am I correct? If you miss your way back half a degree, you will end up in the ocean with all your passengers. I'm telling you. Now, in year 2010, late year 2010, the Poland president of Poland,
or the plantain, the trouble of the plantain, or whatever it is, they will give you what? The fruit. Is that they will give you the potato, the hand. You can use the way local soap. You will see it there. So, just as rushing. Then, for the, we go to the what? No, they are going to do today direct. After you copy the note, you copy the note, you procedure later. No time, we are going to for practical.
Now we go to what? Bar soap. Is that clear? Soda soap. No local one, no. Soda soap. Bar soap. Now I will give you the material. That later now. In the case of bar soap, whatever you use now is okay. I will give you this. I will give you the formula of this thing. Now they call it solid bar soap. Solid what? All these things, when you put it into practice, after the demonstration here, if you perform it till you're able to perfect it. Is that clear? Then the partition will fill. Now the same material. So material. This material, you need quantity by weight. This quantity by what? Or you can say by part. You can say by part, or by weight. Now, one, palm kernel oil. What's another name for palm kernel oil? We call it P. I will explain this. Now, number two, what do you use? Caustic soda. You know what you call caustic soda? Yes. It's very, you don't touch caustic soda. Now, you use it, you say 5.2 by part. I will explain what you mean by part. Then you say 50 by what? By part. I will explain it. Then you go to 4. You go to soda ash. Soda ash. Soda. When you want to buy, any breakthrough? Any breakthrough?
Add that we are debating. Yes. Add that 7. Add that number you add. That 7. 9. And then divide it by 7. 7. You get the same number.
That's what the first one he was. I'm not going to do that.
Is it? Potash. I call it potash now. This ash from what? From palm fruit. Is that clear? They get the palm fruit head. After burning now, I sheave it. Is that clear? This is the further one. Don't see. That is when you put your hand. I can eat.
What does it mean?
I think you have seen it now. Now I take some now. I take some and put inside the water here because we don't have time there. Put it in. This now, I dissolve it in water, the quantity is good. Then I pour it there, I sieve it. Is that clear? After sieving it, yeah. After sieving it.
Now you are not saying what you are doing.
You are too short. You are short.
Madam.
You are not God.
Yes, it's true now. It's God in everything, God appreciates what he does.
So I shift it here. Exactly. I dissolve it now. I will shift it. When there is particle, I will wash it up. Then I receive it again many times. Maybe 1 minute. Let me.
No need, sir.
That's not as needed. This I have this. This is the sheet one. Yeah. I'll shift it again. I'll shift this one. This one is good. After shifting it, then I will go out and then bring the water. I have enough water there. The water is at the back. Just use something to give me the water. Use plastic.
They say use something to give.
Use this plastic. No, don't bring it here now. Put your fire up now. Excuse me. This is what you do. Now you wash it off. You wash it off. You boil until all the water is dry. Is that clear? Until all the water is dry, it remains the thick, the black thick sediment. After that, when it remains, as you have something to do, put it on the fire line. Now, you add the oil. Is that clear? The oil should not be much because this one oil was much. As you add the oil, you continue to.
Now, we are going to introduce a pantograph. What is a pantograph? I'll show you a pantograph now. Class, are you with me? Yes. Oga at the back, what is this? Pantograph. Madam at the back. Now, this is the drawing of the pantograph. I want you to take the drawing. Sorry, I have to complete this end of it with black because the ink, the marker I used to write this one, we couldn't find it again. So I had to use black. But this is what I've drawn on it. This length is 50 cm. What is the length of this side? 50 cm. What is the length of this side? 50 cm. This side is 50 cm, this side is 50 cm. Do we understand? Yes. Then, along this length from here to here, that is, let me put it like this now. This is what is here now. From here to here is 30 cm. From here to here is 30 cm. From here to here is 20 cm. From here to here is 20 cm. Do you understand? Yes. This is 20. This is 30. This is 30. This is 20. Do you understand? Are we together? Yes. So we are going to use this pantograph to trace a drawing. To trace a drawing. Yes. To enlarge a drawing, a diagram. Like I have a diagram here. We are going to try to use this pantograph. Please, can you open it? Just open it. This is a diagram of a snake. We are going to use the pantograph. Now, I want us to produce a pantograph in this class. If possible, let's produce it. I would like it so that we can produce it. And I'm going to give you the material. Yes, I went to borrow one from what? The second one. This pin is 30 cm. From this pin to this pin is 20 cm. So it means that you have to leave allowance. Not 20 cm. It means you won't have anywhere to put the pin. It means you will leave an allowance of maybe like 1 cm or half a cm. Do you understand now? So I want you to come and measure it. 50 cm.
We have to, let's make it 51 because of the pinning allowance.
That is
This hand is green. This leg is blue. See, look at the hand. It's green. Yes. So color everything, cover the pencil. Don't leave the pencil here. The second group, please.
That's what they call blue. If you put blue inside acid, what will happen? If it is acid, blue will turn to red. If it is base, red will turn to blue. Is that clear? That means that it's a base. Now what is it? This one is ready for use. You pour it into the tin. It can be a tin or whatever now. When you pour it acid, it's base. It's a ash. Ash. That the water. You boil it. You boil it until all the water is dry. You remain the what? The sediment, the concentrate. You remain the concentrate. Then after the concentrate, you pour in the oil. No, there are two types of oil you can use to make it.
Yeah. Sign twice. You are the one that puts it. Sign twice. This one is this one. And this second one. This is not ahead. This is not your one. You are the one that calls it. Sign twice.
Is she trying to with her? Go. Madam, come on.
Please let me have your stick.
What's your group? D?
Dad, do you have stapler? Stapler with
you will meet and discuss this issue and now give him all the points so that when it comes to the committee, he will tell us the view. So you are from which state?
Have you written your name? Everybody here has written. Everybody here has written. Everybody here. I say I'm in a class.
What's the next odd number? Please. Odd number after one. Odd number after one. 3 plus 3. 6. There's a fence here. Let us start from here. We now know what I'm saying here, whether it's right or not. Let us start from 1. 2 plus 3. 5 plus 1. 6. What is the next odd number after this? 3 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 9. Next odd number after this? 5. 5 plus, okay, do this. 4 plus 3. 7 plus 5. 12. Next odd number after this? 7. 3 plus 5. 8. Plus this? 15. 6 times 2. Next number after this? 9. 6 plus 3. 9. Plus 9. 18. Next number after this? 11. 7 plus 3. 10. Plus 11. 21. Let us try this one. All number after this? 0. Is there one number? No. Sorry, me, I don't know. I don't know. I'm asking you. Is there one number? No. Yeah, no. Is that okay? Yes. So we have 4.
I'm preaching. Sit over here. Allergy. You can go and preach seats.
No, in fact, the seats are not. This is the rule. Yes. Multiple of 5. That is just the rule. Once you already that, you can get this. Minus this one. Is that 5 minus this one? 4. I mean 1 times 4. Minus 2, this 2. 2 times 8, I mean? Minus what? 3. Is it not 12? Minus what? Minus 4. What is it? Minus what? What the what? Minus what? What the what? It works like that. You see, just write 5, 10, 15, 20, just like that, it will work. What I say that we are able to 14, 21, 21. Just like that. Let them not use
otherwise, it causes explosion. Is that clear? Clockwise, continue clockwise.
A summary of the report of the workshop of what we did from Monday to Thursday. The recommendations are equally important. The observations, what we need to do to make it a better workshop next time. So we need one person from this group that will now bring your views to the community writing committee. So you please nominate one person who is not from Kaduna or Sokoto State. Not from Kaduna or Sokoto State to represent this group. So we have somebody from Kaduna already and one from Sokoto. So other states have been nominated.
This one is
No, the knot is big.